Welcome to my channel guys. In this video, I'll be showing you how to take photos and videos on your Raspberry Pi using Python. Firstly, you need to set up your camera module. If you do not know how to do that, check out my previous video. To get started, create a Python file. You can name it whatever you want, but let the extension be .py. Open it up and then type in the following code. This code will take a photo. After typing the code, click on the Run button to run it. As you can see, a file appeared on the desktop, and this is the photo that I took. To record a video, just modify the code like this. This is the video that I recorded. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see really cool projects in the future.